Now, celebrity lawyer Christopher Melcher, who joins us from the US. Mr. Melcher, thank you so much for coming on to react to this story. Your initial reaction to the jury's verdict this afternoon?
Well, it's an incredible relief, obviously, for Kevin Spacey, who has undergone allegations here that started from anonymous sources that had him canceled from the House of Cards series all the way now till today. And he did win that prior case in the U.S. By Anthony Rapp, and then now the most serious criminal charges that he's been acquitted of. So this has been a very long road for him. And to have been canceled based on anonymous sources, immediately taken off the House of Cards show, and then presented with a bill for $30 million that he's now expected to pay, now years later to see this outcome is really incredible. And for Kevin Spacey, really going forth, taking the stand and testifying, confronting the allegations and prevailing, it is a great day for him in clearing his name.
As a celebrity lawyer, perhaps you can give us an insight into, you talk about the commitment of Kevin Spacey through this trial. Our arts and entertainment correspondent, who's been following it from the start, has said he has arrived at court every day, hours early. He has gone in the front entrance and come out the front entrance every day to a bank of photographers and cameras from all around the world. What is it like to be a celebrity at the eye of the storm in something so serious?
Well, this is certainly not the attention that anybody wants, and it's been toxic to his brand. And I think him coming into court like this publicly and not going through some secret entrance that might have been made available to him shows that he is standing tall and wanting to confront the allegations. He's subjected himself to, cross-examination on these allegations. And certainly he had to do this. This was the most important role that he has played in his life. And not to say that he was acting on the stand, because clearly he can't do that. There's no script and there's no director, and most importantly, there's no retake. He was there in person telling his story. So now it's really a matter of reclaiming his career, reclaiming his name, because although the accusers were granted lifelong anonymity, he was not. He was named, he was exposed, and now he has been acquitted. And he carried that presumption of innocence, of course, with him the entire time, but now he has been acquitted, and hopefully he can move past the allegations.
Yeah, how hopeful are you that he can revive his career? Obviously, there is this trial here in the UK where he has been found not guilty of sexually assaulting 4 men, not guilty on all charges made against him. But in the United States, he has faced similar accusations and been in court again, found not guilty. But this is an unfortunate back catalogue that he will now carry with him. Can he revive his career?
Absolutely. He is a very popular actor and, of course, very talented. And so he has also been able to, continue on here, I think, through these allegations. I believe he can recover from that. I believe that there's an audience waiting for him. And the fact that he has undergone all these allegations, but again, it's 20 years past. And questions about whether it was consensual on some of these, not necessarily whether it happened, but whether it was consensual. So I believe that he could move past it. The challenge that he and producers face is making sure that nothing like this is even alleged to have happened again, because it would be a major distraction to the project. And of course, the producers have to make sure cast and crew are safe. So I imagine when he does return to work, there would be some plan in place to make sure that allegations like this don't arise, because he's not put in positions where these kind of interactions could occur.
One of the defence arguments put forward by his team during this trial was that Kevin Spacey had been tried by social media. It's worth viewers casting their mind back to when these allegations first started to surface. It was at the height of the Me Too movement.
Well, of course, and we saw the immediate reaction to that, and I understand, the history there of why things needed to change in society, but now the course is corrected now to being more skeptical and saying that allegations of things that allegedly occurred 20 years ago should be looked at more carefully, and that we carry a presumption of innocence, and we want to see some evidence. And rather than just jumping to the conclusion because one or more people say something that automatically it must be true. So obviously very serious allegations. The accusers are entitled to respect and also entitled to be believed, but we do need to take our time on these things because the damage that's done cannot easily be repaired. And again, it's the function here of the system where the accusers are granted anonymity, but the accused is not, also needs to be taken into account.
Christopher Melcher, a celebrity lawyer speaking to us from the US. We really appreciate your time.